You might be thinking, Jack, where are you right now? Hey guys, my name is Jack Tor and welcome to my YouTube channel. Radio, so g'day and good morning guys. As you can tell, I am back in Nepal. I am so excited to be back. And you might be thinking, Jack, why are you standing out the front of this very famous monument in Kathmandu? Well, we're going to be going up this today. Yes, that's right. We're going to be going up it. Not something that many people can do here in the city. So come along with me today. I do have a lassi, which you guys know from my previous videos here. I love lassi, so let's give this a taste. Tastes like home. Let's go. Radio guys, so we are now in the front of Tarahara. This building is actually closed and we're actually in a construction site right here, but I actually know the engineer who's going to be letting us in today, so let's go up and check it out. So we're now going up these stairs here, 22 floors. I've got my flashlight on my phone because it is pretty dark. So yeah, this is a very rare experience and something that you won't see from any other YouTubers that come to Kathmandu. So I'm so glad I can take you guys on today's adventure to go up this amazing tower here in Nepal. I'm so glad to be back in this country, so blessed. So yeah, let's walk to the top and also explore as we go around. I can see some light. Wow, so we're at one of the windows now, as you can see here. Pretty cool, isn't it? Wow. So as you can see here behind me, they actually have elevators for this, but it's actually not working, and I probably don't trust going in one of these yet until the construction of this building is finished. As you can see up here, there's actually holes in the roof and, you know, like metal on the ground over here and stuff. But yeah, it's almost done. But if you guys know Nepal, stuff takes a little bit longer than expected. But that's why I'm taking you guys today. So enough talking and let's go to the top. So as you guys can see from this footage here, this is actually the electrics that go from the very base all the way to the top of the tower for the elevator. So yeah, if anything goes wrong, this door here, that's where you open and shut it. So yeah, I won't be getting in the elevator today. One, because it's not working, but two, I definitely don't trust it yet. But yeah, let's use the old-fashioned stairs and keep going. You gotta watch yourself climbing these stairs, guys. There's a lot of dust on it as well. Obviously, it's not open to the public, so yeah, you gotta be careful climbing up here. And if anything were to happen whilst we were here, we would probably get in a lot of trouble, because we're not meant to be here. So if we injure ourselves, then it wouldn't be very good. So just here is actually the old tower. So this tower has actually been built twice in the last 120 years. Maybe, no, in the last 100 years due to earthquakes. The first earthquake happened in the 1930s, and obviously the second one was in 2015. So this is the second time they have rebuilt this. And I'll put some photos up of the original ones as well, but this one here was the one that fell into pieces in 2015, which is so sad. But it's great that we can rebuild, even though it's taking a little bit longer, and experience this tower again. Rightio, so there is now no more handrails. So this is where the safety gets a little bit, as we would say in Australia, how you going, which means like not good. So yeah, we just got to watch ourselves as we go up here. You don't want to fall over, that's for sure. So the one thing I love about this tower is there's windows from all different spots around the tower as you go up. So you get an actual 360-degree view of the city. Whoa, so this here is actually the whole of the electronics that run through the entire building. You can actually see to the ground floor. If I step in here now, I will fall straight down. Man, this is a cool experience. Rightio guys, so we are now at the very top, so come along with me. Wow. Watch your head on that. Wow, how good is this? I am back in Kathmandu, guys, and look where I am. Building is actually so high that I'm seeing eagles right now flying about halfway up. So that's how high we are. Even the eagles are flying lower than this building. Man, oh man, this is such a cool experience and a great thing to do in my first video back here in Nepal. The last time I came to this country, I got so much love from all of you guys, so it only made sense to come back. So yeah, thank you so much for your constant support. When I was in the Philippines, when I was in Japan, I saw all of you guys commenting as well, putting up Nepal flag, commenting from Nepal, and yeah, it's just, the love is amazing. So thank you guys. And yeah, look forward to 2 videos a week. So the next tallest thing I can think of is actually the Monkey Temple, which is what I visited last time I was here. And it's just all the way over there, but we are definitely a lot higher than that. As you can see right here, this is actually the old tower that fell down in the 2015 earthquake. So sad. But yeah, right next to it, they built the new one, which is good. But yeah, this one, there's not much left of it, as you can see. Wow, a lot of history in this place, that's for sure. Rightio, so right now we're going to go to Ranthambore Square, sort of like a Hindu temple, I believe, and there we're going to have some lunch and then explore around the temple. So yeah, come along with me and let's go. So we're about to walk into this local food cafe here, so let's go. Oh, this place is tiny. Rightio, so let's sit down on these little chairs. Oh. Okay, wow, how cool is this? Rightio, so our food's coming out now, look at this. Rightio, so right in front of me I have what they call a budgie set. So let's give this a try. Gonna get a little bit of everything. This rice here that you see in the middle, it's actually like beaten rice. It's really nice. I actually love this stuff. So let's go. Nice. This meat is super tender, really flavoursome. Has some chili flakes in it as well, which is nice. Vegetables are really nice. So right now I'm about to try some dal omelette. I've never actually had this before, so. I'm not really a fan. No, that's not, I don't really like that one. What about this? Potato. That one's good. That one's really good. So I've just realized with that dal omelette I tried before that I didn't like, you actually meant to dip it in this like sauce here, so let's try it now and see. Oh, that's a lot better. Yeah. That's how it's meant to be done. Classic foreigner, doesn't know what he's doing. So right now we're about to try sabul micha, which is actually bone marrow from a buffalo wrapped in, I'm not really sure what it's wrapped in, but let's give this a taste. Whoa. It's good. So it's like a explosion of fat, like bone marrow in your mouth, really hot. And then I think around it is like some type of skin of the buffalo or something like that, and very crunchy but very soft inside. Just explodes in your mouth. That's a new experience for me. And then this little bit here, it's tied off so you can't eat this end bit, but yeah, really nice. Rightio, so right now I'm about to try some buten, which is from apart from the buffalo, so let's give this a try. Really chewy, filled with flavour. Really nice. When we had this before, the bone marrow inside of this, the outside isn't actually skin. It's like some type of intestine or something wrapped in it and then cooked up. So yeah, really interesting. Radio, so we're just walking around the temples now, and as you can see, they've actually got the wall here propped up from the earthquake, and some of the buildings here are actually being rebuilt as we go on from the earthquake. But I think there's only one left that they have to rebuild, but most of it is pretty intact and rebuilt now, which is nice to see. Tell you what, it's a lot colder now from when I was here last time in the summer, but boy oh boy, does it feel good to be back in Kathmandu, in Nepal. The people here are so friendly. It's just the best vibes. It's very affordable on my end, and there's trekking and beautiful spots. The food is amazing. So yeah, it's so good to be back. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. As soon as I left Nepal, I knew I was coming back, and here I am. So yeah, expect a lot more videos coming soon. 2 videos a week. So yeah, I'm so excited to be here. So as you can see, these statues here behind me, their faces are actually covered to protect the statue from dust. And there's also a myth that they believe that they shouldn't see their faces until they actually worship the statue. So it sort of locks in that spirituality, if that sort of makes sense. But yeah, walking past that was really interesting to see. So we just walked into this little temple here. It's not much to see, but a few weird sort of paintings and stuff. The guy's selling some knickknacks. Yeah. But we're gonna keep on walking now to, it's like sort of like a lake with like hangout spot in the middle. So let's go. Alrighty, so we're now at Bimbahal, and this area is actually so nice. There's a little lake like in the center of the city, and then you've got sort of this like wharf here where you can sit as well. And even if you want to, you can actually rent a boat as well. So people would come down here with snacks and just chill by the lake, and yeah, so it's a really nice spot. So I'm going to end the video here, guys, and enjoy the rest of my afternoon. Thank you for coming along with me today, experiencing my time back here in Kathmandu. It's just been amazing, and I'm just so thrilled to be back. So yeah, as always, guys, keep it real.